Ever wondered how your car converts gasoline into motion, or how the sun's rays become electricity for your home? It's a fascinating journey, one that takes place every second of our lives, and yet we barely give it a thought. From the heat of a cup of coffee to the light from your laptop screen, from the energy in the food we eat to the power that drives our devices, it's all around us. This process, my friends, is known as energy conversion. So what's this thing we call an energy conversion matrix? Well, think of it as a magic trick of sorts, but one that's deeply rooted in science and engineering. In its simplest form, it's a system that transforms one type of energy into another. Now, this isn't some mystical process. It's a systematic approach with 3 stages: input, process, and output. Imagine a windmill, for instance. The wind, our input, sets the blades in motion. This kinetic energy, the process, is then converted into electrical energy, the output. And voila, you have power to light up a bulb or charge a phone. Now, multiply this concept to a larger scale. Apply it to hydroelectric dams, solar panels, nuclear reactors. You get the idea. The energy conversion matrix is at the heart of these technologies, silently working its magic to power our world. In essence, an energy conversion matrix is the blueprint behind many of the technologies we use every day. Now that we've uncovered the mystery behind the energy conversion matrix, let's recap what we've learned. In the world of engineering, energy conversion is more than just a theory. It's a practical reality that powers our everyday lives. From the warmth of the sun being transformed into electricity through solar panels, to the mechanical energy of a spinning turbine generating electricity at a power plant, it's all about converting one form of energy into another. This is where the energy conversion matrix comes in. It's a conceptual system that engineers use to understand and design processes for converting energy from one form to another. It's like a map that shows you how to get from point A to point B. But instead of cities or countries, we're talking about different forms of energy. And it's not just limited to power plants or solar panels. The energy conversion matrix has wide-ranging applications across various engineering fields. From designing more efficient engines for our cars to developing new ways to harness renewable energy, it's a tool that helps engineers push the boundaries of what's possible. Next time you switch on a light or start your car, remember you're witnessing a marvel of engineering made possible by the energy conversion matrix. Oh, and before you go, here's a question for you. Can you name an everyday gadget that uses an energy conversion matrix? Leave your answers in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.